Hello everyone, welcome to another Peacock TV tutorial. Today I will show you how to delete Peacock TV account. Now if you want to delete your data from Peacock and totally delete every single data that you have on the account and the account itself, then this is the video for you. So as you can see right here, if you're here, it's probably because you found Peacock's help center singularly unhelpful. So as you can see there, how do I delete my account article links to a generic NBC Universal privacy portal, and it's not clear what to do next. So as you can see, what they really want you to do is fill out this form petitioning NBC Universal. So this is basically the form that is right here. So this is to scrape your data completely. You'll need to supply your first name, last name, your email address, and the state you live in. The form is for the US only. So this is only for the US citizen. This is how you can go and how you can delete your Peacock account. However, if you live outside the US, you'll need to fill a separate form instead, which is this form right here. Now, this is the form that you would need to fill out, or as a last resort, email privacy@nbcuni.com. It's not explained what you need to do to send to this address, but you should be at least in touch with a human being to be able to help. Also, alternatively, you can go and just cancel Peacock or contact their support directly. So this is the only way how you can delete Peacock TV account as of right now. So if you have any questions or maybe comments, you can comment down below, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.